alaikum everybody, it's Jenna, that's me, the Jar from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be having some fun baking in the kitchen, nice snack for kids. It's going to be some cookies, Fruit Loop cookies to be exact. And I have somebody joining me today to do this video. He's not a kid, he's like a kid, but not a kid really.
Good boy.
Have fun. You're supposed to be using this today for the video. You're not supposed to be opening it yet.
I could possibly use a box of Fruit Loops to cook something.
Love it, we're going to be doing Fruit Loop cookies. We don't need to be eating the Fruit Loops yet.
Might like half the box already.
Okay guys, we're going to have to make use of what we have left here. Because this is the big kid joining us today.
Isn't good though. I don't know how you're going to make cookies with Fruit Loops. Okay, I'll stop eating that.
Alright, so today's video is going to be another extra special one just because we're going to be using items on special at Extra Foods right here in Trinidad. So we're going to be using our margarine and we're going to be using this open box of Fruit Loops.
Yeah, sorry about that.
To do our cookies. Okay, so our ingredients for the Fruit Loops cookies, pretty simple. We have our Fruit Loops, of course, our margarine. What do we have there?
This looks like a rotten egg.
No!
Tell me guys.
It's
You can't see it.
It's an egg with some vanilla essence.
Oh, that's vanilla essence in it. Okay.
We have some white sugar.
And this looks like baking soda and
Cornstarch.
cornstarch.
And salt.
And salt. Okay. Close enough.
And that's our ingredients for our Fruit Loop cookies. Let's put it together. It's going to actually take like 10 minutes, 15 minutes prep time. We're going to leave it to sit in the fridge for about an hour and then we're going to bake them for about 12 minutes or so.
So my next job is to eat the cookies, right?
No, you're going to be helping me.
Okay, let's get
You like the cookies, I like the Fruit Loops.
started.
Making Fruit Loops cookies.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on. But I'm not much of a cook, right? But I think when you're making cookies, you have to use some kind of base like flour or something.
My bad, I forgot.
Oh, so
I'm going to be using flour as
that's
well.
what it is. Okay. Just wondering, you know.
Alright, so now let's get started with the cookies.
Right.
Alright, so my helper here, we're going to be blending up. So putting a couple of these Fruit Loops into the fruit processor. We're going to be chopping it up so that's small pieces.
That's okay.
That's totally fine.
1 cup.
Just going to pulse it with a few times just to get it small. Perfect.
Great.
What we're going to be doing is combining our sugar with our egg, our essence.
Egg with essence, not a rotten egg, guys.
And we're doing half cup of our margarine.
So half cup, there's a whole margarine. So how would I tell what's half a cup?
Well, honey darling, there is the measurement right here.
Okay, I've seen quarter. I guess that's quarter cup.
So yeah, half of it is...
So half will be half of the stick.
Yes, correct. And you're going to be mixing that for like 3 minutes, right?
This could be interesting.
Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes and we want to beat it just until it's nice and fluffy.
That was work, boy.
Alright, so now we're going to add our flour. You can throw in a little bit, yeah. Alright, so you just want to add the flour, the cornstarch, baking soda, and the salt to the egg mixture just until it's nice and combined. You don't want to overbeat it.
Well, what about the Fruit Loops?
So we're going to have the Fruit Loops now.
So you add the Fruit Loops, and I think you fold it in. Well, very good folding technique.
Just mix it all up. Alright, so once it's all mixed in properly, we're going to form about 15 or how many ever dough balls we get. We're going to be coating it in some crumbled powdered Fruit Loops. Okay, so we have our cookie dough and we have our powdered Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops dust.
Fruit Loops dust. And now what we're going to be doing is just forming small dough balls with the cookie dough, and then we're going to be rolling it into the powdered Fruit Loops, placing it onto our baking sheet.
Should my hands be moist with anything for this, or?
If you can, put a little water if you need to.
Okay, let's try it.
But
Okay, feel those Fruit Loops in there.
don't put it too big, because then you're going to get big cookies. So I said about 15, but it depends on the size. So I'm just going to be using around this size. And then I'm going to be dusting it, putting it onto our tray.
Dust the whole thing.
Nice. So we're doing them into very smaller dough balls, putting it into the powdered Fruit Loops, and then we're just resting it onto our tray. Alright, so all our cookie dough balls are on our baking sheet. Now we're just going to put this in the refrigerator, let it set for about an hour, and then we're going to just bake them for about 12 minutes. Alright, so our Fruit Loop cookie dough balls are out of the fridge, and now we're going to pop them in the oven at 350 for just about 12 minutes. So our Fruit Loop cookies are finished. They look amazing. So I said leave it for 12 minutes, and what's going to happen after the 12 minutes, they're going to puff up. So if you want what I did, I flattened them down to be more cookie-like shape, and I put them back into the oven for the next 5 minutes just to harden up just a bit. You know, these are soft baked cookies just like how hubby loves them. So I did not want to over bake them to get them too hard and too crunchy. Soft cookies are the way to go.
Hi guys.
I love it. So
me again. What? These things come out real good, boy. Can I have one?
yeah.
It's soft. It's delicious. Fruit Loop cookies.
Alright guys, and thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Don't forget to try this recipe. The kids will love it. Husbands like mine will love it, I guarantee. So look out for more videos to come, and thanks once again for watching. Just remember the items, some of the items that I used in this video are on special at Extra Foods. Right here in Trinidad, we got the Fruit Loops that are on special, and we also have the Marigold Margarine, so don't miss out, be sure to check them out.
Mommy, this tastes real good.
Do you like it? How's it tasting?
Good.
Pulse it.
I was just joking there, guys. Don't mind me.